Hello, my name is Greg Grounds. I'm the engineering manager at TCEC, your local electric cooperative. Today I'd like to talk to you about a complicated topic and try to make it a little more simpler. The topic concerns three-phase motors that you have on our system and the protective equipment that you need for these three-phase motors. If you have three-phase service, you should receive a letter like this every summer. It's a reminder that members are responsible for installing protective control equipment. The right protective devices can prevent costly three-phase equipment failures. Without protection, three-phase motors can be damaged during faults on the power system. While surge protection and lightning arresters are important, they don't protect against everything. For TCEC, the most common causes of power system faults are lightning strikes, wind damage, and animals. A hazardous condition can happen is the loss of voltage on only one phase. This occurs if there is a short circuit on only one of the three phases. Many of TCEC's three-phase lines are protected by devices that de-energize only one phase when needed. Three-phase motors can be damaged if they are left with voltage on two of the three phases remaining. Phase reversal is another hazardous condition that can damage three-phase motors and other equipment. The direction of a three-phase motor is determined by the order in which the phases are connected to the motor. A motor can turn in the opposite direction if the wiring on the power system or the member's installation changes. These conditions can be protected against by a properly installed phase monitoring relay. This relay continuously checks for damaging conditions and can disconnect a three-phase motor from power when needed. Phase monitoring relays can also protect against high voltage, low voltage, or unbalanced voltage. If you have three-phase motors, please consult a licensed electrician to make sure your equipment is protected from these abnormal power system conditions.